Tropical storm Rafael becoming a little bit more organized, though most of the convection is on the east and southeastern side of the storm at this point. The hurricane hunters are going to visit it again later today. Winds at 60 miles per hour, and there are some tropical storm warnings in effect for Jamaica and areas down to the south in the Caribbean. So while it's still in the Caribbean, it's going to use up that warm water and likely strengthen into a hurricane before it moves over the western portion of Cuba. You can see here that the warmer waters are down the Caribbean, the Gulf not so warm. So once it moves into the Gulf, we do expect it to weaken, run into some dry air, and hopefully some wind shear will start to weaken it as well. Notice the high pressure system sitting off the southeastern United States. This will help to steer Rafael westward. Depending on how strong this high is, it could end up over here closer to Louisiana and Texas, or it could take more of a northward track and kind of become a coastal issue along the Gulf Coast and bring us some rain this weekend. But this is the track. It likely becomes a hurricane by tomorrow and then tracks into the Gulf, and you can see that it weakens back into a tropical storm by the weekend. I do think we could see some rain around here during the weekend. I'm not so sure that it will be widespread and a soaking beneficial rain, but definitely looking like at least we have a chance in the forecast, and I think Steph's got more details on that.
Yeah, and Brylee, really a lot of it's going to depend on the exact track of that storm heading into the end of the week and the weekend. Obviously, the further west it goes into the western Gulf of Mexico, that just means that we could see overall less rain here. As of right now, for Saturday, we'll go with some occasional showers. Skies will likely be mostly cloudy with some mid-70s. So even though we're still warmer than normal, we're a little bit closer to where we're supposed to be for this time of the year. And then we'll go with a partly sunny sky with some showers still possible on Sunday. Again, we'll have a better handle on the track of the storm likely within the next 24 to 36 hours. All right, over Gadsden this morning, we've got a few breaks in the clouds over the Coosa there, looking from our Gadsden City Hall sky cams. Very warm though, muggy. Most of us are in the upper 60s at this hour, and we do have some showers showing up on the map too, especially down into parts of Chilton and Bibb counties. We're starting to see some of those showers now lifting northward up through Walker County too, and these are moving due north, and so heading up toward Jasper. If it's not currently raining, you'll likely get some rain here within the next 15 to 30 minutes. And then you can see down near Maplesville and Stanton, heading up toward Jemison and Thorsby, some of that lighter rain is going to be headed your direction too. So some passing showers around this morning with temperatures in the 60s, breezy with a few showers around at midday. Just a good idea to keep that umbrella close by, as the showers will kind of be off and on. Nothing too terribly heavy though, and temperatures expected to be in the mid 70s at lunchtime, but some upper 70s and by the afternoon for those highs. 30% chance for shower where you are today, a little bit higher for some of our eastern counties tomorrow, and then rain chances drop back off on Thursday. Again, these numbers will likely fluctuate a little bit as we get a better handle on exactly where Rafael is going to be headed. Upper 70s through the end of the week with temperatures in the 60s during the morning, so it's going to be pretty damp and muggy over the next several mornings. Again, some showers right now over the weekend, but as far as rain chances, that still remains to be seen. As of right now, there'll likely at least be some breaks in the rain over the weekend. Scott, Carla?
All right, thanks, Steph. Time right